In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your email list from Instagram with Mailchimp landing pages, automations, and Linktree. If you're looking to effectively gather email subscribers directly from your Instagram audience, you've come to the right place. I'll be guiding you through a streamlined process that integrates Mailchimp and Linktree, offering a seamless experience for your followers and boosting your subscriber count. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you want to do is create a Mailchimp landing page. Mailchimp offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to design landing pages specifically tailored to convert your Instagram followers into email subscribers. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account and navigating to the Campaigns tab. From there, you'll want to select Create and then choose Landing Page. Start with a clear and engaging headline. Remember, this is the first thing your potential subscribers will see, so make it compelling. Customize the layout to reflect your brand's aesthetics, using appealing visuals that resonate with your audience. Don't forget to include an opt-in form where users can enter their email addresses. This section needs to be prominent and straightforward, as the primary goal is to capture those emails efficiently. Once your landing page is ready, it's time to set up a Linktree form and Mailchimp integration. Linktree is an invaluable tool for Instagram users as it allows you to share multiple links with your followers. Use Linktree to add a new link that directs audiences to your newly created Mailchimp landing page. Go to your Linktree dashboard and click on Add New Link. Enter the URL of your Mailchimp landing page and write an enticing title to grab attention. Something like "Join our newsletter for exclusive updates" usually works well. To integrate Mailchimp with Linktree, ensure you have the Linktree Pro version, which supports Mailchimp integration, making the process hassle-free and more functional. Next up, create a Mailchimp automation to ensure your subscribers receive immediate follow-up emails or welcome sequences once they opt in through your landing page. Automations in Mailchimp are essential for nurturing your new followers and keeping them engaged. Head back to Mailchimp, and under the Automations section, choose Email and select Welcome New Subscribers. Set up a series of emails that your audience will receive upon subscribing. These emails can include a welcome message, a thank you for joining note, or even a special offer exclusively for new subscribers. Personalizing these emails can immensely improve the effectiveness of your campaign and keep your subscribers interested and engaged with your content. And there you have it, a comprehensive approach to building an email list right from your Instagram profile using Mailchimp landing pages, automations, and Linktree. By following these steps, you'll create a streamlined path for your followers to become part of your subscriber list. Remember, consistency is key, so keep your content engaging and continue testing different approaches to optimize your setup. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Happy email list building!